Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain why China remains communist. The Chinese Communist Party, or CCP, has maintained its grip on power through a combination of political control and economic adaptation. While the economy has embraced market-oriented reforms, the state still plays a dominant role, ensuring the party's continued influence. This unique blend allows for economic growth while preserving the party's authority and social stability. China's communist system is deeply rooted in its history, particularly the victory of the CCP in the Civil War. This established a one-party state where the CCP holds absolute authority. The party maintains control over all major aspects of society, from the military to information dissemination. This centralized power structure is crucial for its continued existence, often leveraging strong nationalistic sentiments to garner public support. The economic model in China is often described as a socialist market economy. This means that while market forces are at play, the state retains significant control, especially over large enterprises. This approach has led to remarkable economic growth, significantly improving living standards for a vast number of people. This prosperity forms a crucial part of the social contract, where citizens generally accept political limitations in exchange for continued economic advancement. Looking ahead, the Chinese Communist Party faces ongoing challenges, including addressing growing economic inequality and significant environmental issues. The party continues to adapt, utilizing advanced technology for surveillance and social management to maintain stability. This blend of control and adaptation is key to its longevity. Don't forget to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. The party's ability to navigate these complex issues will determine its future trajectory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.